Right from the time COVID-19 virus spread over the world, a lot of us realized the power and the value of internet as being the only way to connect to our families, friends, jobs, and more importantly, our academics on the side of students. However, money was and is still a must paid for the process to work out, especially in Africa and other continents, which seems not an easy task to accomplish daily. However, guys, in this tutorial, I will guide you on how to get free unlimited internet on your smartphone using Outline application without any payment made. Before proceeding, let us first check if we don't have any internet bundles. So in this video, I'll be using SIM card, which is SIM1, and this is Airtel SIM card. So let us first check and find out what we are having from there. We are having 0.00 KBs, meaning we don't have any internet bundles. Let me scroll down and to see, yeah, connection is on SIM1, and I want to first confirm this from YouTube and see if we can load anything or if anything can open. So as you see, this thing is loading but nothing at all opens. And let me first try on Play Store as well. And yeah, I don't have any internet bundles. So however, there's a VPN that we can use, and this is WireTune VPN. So in this video, I'll be using this WireTune VPN for the connection. I've made this video some time back for WireTune VPN, and this VPN still works up to now. And I think it offers like above 2 GB per day. And the internet is a bit okay on YouTube, just that it doesn't work on Facebook. So if I go to YouTube, you can see that it opens. This WireTune VPN is what we are going to access, since I don't want to use data, and I want to just use this VPN as well. You can use your own data, then you follow the procedure in this video to access the internet that we are talking about in this video. So let us just go straight to our Play Store, and then let us type Outline. So from here we shall have that Outline. Then let us download this app. I'm using WireTune VPN to download this because I want to use this VPN. It's a bit also faster, as you can see. Then you can open this app. Let us go to any browser. So I'm going to use Chrome. So open and then go to the site, which is called sshstores.net. So in this sshstore.net is where we are going to generate the file that we can use to access internet via that app. So we shall just scroll down to where we shall see Shadowsocks server. So from the Shadowsocks server is where we shall be able to create the file that we are going to use. So as you can see from here, this is Shadowsocks. Let us create an account from here. No password or email is required. So this procedure is very simple to understand, so you don't need to worry of anything. So we shall go down, and then from there you can choose any country that you want to create. Remember to choose the country which the servers are available. So I'll go with Singapore, and then we shall scroll down, and then you can choose any of those that you want to create. So I'll just go with that, and I'll scroll down, then just click that I'm not a robot, and then click generate now. There's nothing at all like a password and whatever. So once this is done, you can see that the account is already successfully created, as you can see. So you can just copy that. So you then just go straight to our Outline, and there's nothing like at all like importing. This thing does everything for you. As you can see from there, the access key has already been detected. That is from what we have just generated from the other side, and then just click add server, and once it's done, That's all. So we shall just go back and confirm my internet connection. Remember, I'm using SIM card 1. So let me go back and disconnect this wire tune, because it is what we have been using to access internet. Then let us go back to. So what we just need to do is to click on connect and just tap on connect and press OK. And once it's done, it will be connected. As you can see from there, it's connected. Then you can go and then try on any browser. So let me try with Facebook and check out if it can open. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Feel free to leave a comment and feel free to subscribe to our channel for more videos. See you next time.